Hi everyone! Welcome back to our English practice series. Today we have a conversation between two college students, Emma and Jake. Emma is stressed about writing her personal statement for graduate school, and Jake suggests a helpful solution. Let's listen to their conversation. I'm having trouble with my personal statement.
You should go to the personal statement workshop.
What's that?
It's where a professional gives you tips and helps revise your personal statement.
That sounds helpful. When is it?
This Thursday at 3 p.m. in the library. I went to one last week.
How was it?
The person leading the workshop was an English professor, so it was really informative.
I'm kind of embarrassed to show my personal statement, though.
You shouldn't be.
I feel like I'll be laughed at.
Don't worry. The workshop is there to help you improve your writing. Everyone's in the same boat.
You're right. I think I'll give it a try.
Great! You won't regret it.
Good job! Now let's move to the shadowing practice. I'll say each sentence and then pause for you to repeat. Try to copy the pronunciation and rhythm as closely as possible. Ready? Let's go. I'm having trouble with my personal statement.
You should go to the personal statement workshop.
What's that?
It's where a professional gives you tips and helps revise your personal statement.
That sounds helpful. When is it?
This Thursday at 3 p.m. in the library. I went to one last week.
How was it?
The person leading the workshop was an English professor, so it was really informative.
I'm kind of embarrassed to show my personal statement, though.
You shouldn't be.
I feel like I'll be laughed at.
Don't worry. The workshop is there to help you improve your writing. Everyone's in the same boat.
You're right. I think I'll give it a try.
Great! You won't regret it.
Excellent work! Now it's time for role-playing. In this round, I'll be Emma and you will be Jake. Listen to Emma's lines, then respond as Jake during the pause. Let's begin. I'm having trouble with my personal statement. What's that? That sounds helpful. When is it? How was it? I'm kind of embarrassed to show my personal statement, though. I feel like I'll be laughed at. You're right. I think I'll give it a try. Well done! Now let's switch roles. This time, you will be Emma and I'll be Jake. You speak first, then listen to Jake's response. Are you ready? Let's start.
You should go to the personal statement workshop. It's where a professional gives you tips and helps revise your personal statement. This Thursday at 3 p.m. in the library. I went to one last week. The person leading the workshop was an English professor, so it was really informative. You shouldn't be. Don't worry. The workshop is there to help you improve your writing. Everyone's in the same boat. Great! You won't regret it.
Fantastic job today. You've practiced listening, shadowing, and role-playing. Remember, the key to improving your English is consistent practice. Keep going, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. See you in the next video. Bye!